Hello guys, grabe, papunta ako ngayon dito sa bus station ng Finch Avenue. So may imimit up akong friend na tutulong sa akin para kumuha ng SIN number and proceed sa bank to get my bank account. So yan, so may mga sign to stop, and then I'm going to cross the road. Ayan, so dyan yung bus station ko. Ayan, dyan siya. Challenge ko lang ngayon guys kasi parang hindi pa naka-connect yung aking phone. So I think this is the bus already. I'm going to ride. Grabe na bus. Wait.